Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check your statistics on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the profile icon next to the record button at the lower bar on the screen, and here you can find the statistics icon at the upper side of the page. Click that and you can find your tours completed, the time, the distance and the elevation. And you can filter that, all sports, years and months. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.